If you have to travel into and out of London for work or for leisure purposes, you already know of the latest change to the London congestion charge. As many commuters know, London suffers from the worst traffic congestion in the UK. Launched in 2003, the London congestion charge was intended to deter people from driving into the city centre, reducing congestion and pollution even further. When driving into central London, you will see signs with a red background and a white C stating congestion charge. The congestion zone applies to the area within the London Inner Ring Road, including the City of London and the West End. The congestion charge did cost £11.50 a day and was active from Monday to Friday between the hours of 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. It was then temporarily suspended during the coronavirus lockdown, however then reintroduced on the 18th of May 2020. The London congestion charge now costs £15 per day and operates 7 days a week between the hours of 7 a.m. and 10 p.m. If you drive a conventional petrol or diesel car or a non-plug-in hybrid, you will have to pay the congestion charge if you drive into central London. From October 2021, only fully zero-emission electric cars will be exempt from the London congestion charge. Looking to make the switch? EVision Electric Vehicle Hire is the UK's largest and fully electric vehicle rental company, with a fleet containing the Tesla, BMW, Renault, plus the new Vauxhall Corsa-e. Book your hire on our website today.